Like this. Join hands first.
Okay.
Close your eyes
Uh,
and just think about the wishes you want and say the God.
which god is here?
Bhairavnath.
Bhairamnath. This temple name?
Bhairavnath.
Bhairamnath. Welcome to Bhairamnath, Suvaprabhat, Nepal. Timlo Kastosha.
Do you want to ring the bell?
Yes, hold.
It has the highest frequency. Press. Full power, full power.
Come close.
Okay, okay.
Like this.
Full power.
Full power, it has to hit both. How do you
Once.
do it? You only have to hit it one time.
Yeah, one time.
Okay. One more time.
Okay, okay. It says that if you ring the bell, your wish will be completed by the God.
Oh my gosh, this is the use of this temple. I have a lot of wishes.
Then just pray the God, and after praying, then ring the bell. First pray here.
Okay.
Join the hands.
You join the hands, right?
Like this. Join hands first.
Okay.
Close your eyes
Uh,
and just think about the wishes you want and say the God
Okay, you have to
Close.
give your wishes.
by closing your eyes.
Okay. Which god is here?
Bhairavnath.
Bhairamnath. Okay.
Shiva. Shiva is a god.
Shiva.
Another name of Shiva is Bhairavnath.
Okay, Shiva is famous.
Is come. Is your look it?
Huh.
Is it this? Conversation है साली.
Touch? What is that?
सुन बने इसमें.
Just listen like this.
Okay, I have to listen.
Okay.
रवि से कान रखना. ओए.
Like this.
Huh? How you do it?
This. यस्तो है ना? Just ring the bell now.
Okay. So the first thing you have to take blessing from here, then you have to come here.
You have to request.
You have to request here. Oh, there is kind of reflection if you speak here.
Is a wrong side.
Oh, the Nepal flag is there.
ओए.
It is made of metal. Ring the bell for the.
Oh, for the wish to be success.
Yes.
For the wish, I made my wish. I have so many of wishes. I don't know. I think I need to ring this bell more
That
than
God
1,000
can-
times.
God will listen your wish.
Yes.
There's a god called Kumar.
Kumar?
Yeah, Kumar. Everyone worshipped before any big thing you are going to done or any deals,
Okay.
Yeah.
Any mission?
any mission. Yeah.
Ah.
So that the mission will be accomplished by you, that you want.
So for that you have to pray to Kumar.